Fresh, stunning tuna like this is always one of the most popular dishes at any restaurant. I'm gonna show you how to turn this gorgeous fish into a delicious salad at home. And it's so easy, even a beginner can do it. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is Seafood Without the Catch. The most important part of this recipe, fair trade, high quality tuna from Hy-Vee. Hy-Vee only sources fully traceable tuna from a fishery that meets international best practices for sustainable fishing. Don't forget, you can always ask the fish expert to portion out the tuna to whatever weight you need for your recipe. Today, I want to make a salade niçoise, which is a French tuna salad. Essentially, we're going to poach it in olive oil. By the way, I have this preheating on low. I just want enough olive oil to cover the tuna. All right, I'm going to slide this into a 200-degree oven for about an hour. Next thing I want to do is make my mustard vinaigrette. So I throw an egg yolk in there, salt, sherry vinegar. I'm just trying to make an emulsification. An emulsification is just when you're binding one ingredient to another so they don't separate. And now that I have that canola oil in there, I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. A nice slow stream. Once the emulsification takes place and it's thick, that's what I'm looking for. Just wanna use one garlic clove, shallot, a very nice fine mince, some parsley and some tarragon into that nice fine mince. And then I just season this with a little bit of vinegar and some fresh pepper. So let's put this in the fridge. Tuna's done. Inch-thick fillets in a 200-degree oven will cook perfectly in about an hour, hour and 10 minutes. If you don't see little protein dots, those are just little coagulants. If you don't see that, you have not cooked it for long enough. We're just gonna let that sit for 45 minutes. It'll be room temperature. We'll make our salad. Okay, I just want a bed of delicious sweet lettuce. So the potatoes I just steamed until they were tender. Green beans. I just slice them at an angle, and I just want them all facing up. Beautiful farm fresh eggs, beefsteak tomatoes, perfect. Then we're gonna take our tuna. It is very firm. This is cooked all the way through. If you undercook it and you see some rawness or some red in there, put it back in the oil and put it back in the oven. Perfect. You just make sort of a pile of tuna in the middle. Olives, cherry tomatoes, and of course, that beautiful mustard herb vinaigrette. So you actually can use quite a lot of this. I want to put this in 3 areas here. That right there is as classic niçoise salad as you're ever going to find. It couldn't be simpler. This is something that 3 or 4 people could share as part of a lovely meal. I mean, look, it's pink and juicy.